Voice clear, screen. Okay. Good evening, students. Today, first we will solve MCQs of arithmetic progression. Then, if there is any doubt, that we will solve. Then we will revise 2-3 very important theorems till meeting end. Then one small motivational story lecture will be there, 5-10 minutes. So that is not compulsory. Those who want to join can rejoin, including this managing team also. Because from from many days I have not talked to you, so I thought let's motivate the student. Okay, first we will complete AP. 1, 2, 6, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Is it AP? The question is it AP? It is only doubling. Arithmetic progression, AP, means any two consecutive number, between any two consecutive number, difference should be equal. Here difference is 1, here difference is 2, here difference is 4, here difference is 8. So D1 is not equal to D2, is not equal to D3. Therefore, not in AP. Now very good question. 4, 4, 4, 4, dash. Is AP? For AP, what is the condition? That all the difference should be equal. So D1 is 0, D2 is 0, D3 is 0. D1, D2, D3 are equal. Upper one is not, this one is correct. This type of series, this type of AP, that is known as constant AP, means where the difference is 0. Now first one is given, T1 is equal to A is equal to 10. Difference is 5. It is positive, so increasing. They have asked for T2. By two method you can find. If the difference is 5, starting value is T, so next value is 15, next value is 20, next value is 25. This is MCQ, so this T2 you have to find. Otherwise T2, therefore N is equal to 2, A is equal to 10, difference is equal to 5, N is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So T2 is equal to A means what? 10 plus this way or this way you can find. Starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 96, 98, 100. In this series, starting term means T1 is equal to A, that is 2. How much is the difference? 8 minus 6, 2, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 98 minus 96, again 2. A we know, D we know, T and last number we know, but we don't know N, how many numbers, how many terms. First of all, how to find without this AP, without applying AP formula. From 1 to 100, 50% odd, 50% even. We are taking only even. So N should be 50. Directly in MCQ you have to select. So N, that is the first. Second, last term is what? N. First term is what? Hello?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, how n will be 50? How n will be 50?
It is from 1 to 100. 50 numbers are odd, 50 numbers are even. Sorry. These are odd. So 50 odd plus 50 even. So 1 to 100. So they have taken only even numbers. So 50. So difference is equal to 2. Correct. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn last number is given 100. First number is. Total we don't know. Difference we know. In the equation, when you have to find out n, don't open the bracket. So this goes this side. So 98. Divide by 2. That is 49. 100 less 2, 40 less 1. This goes this side. This is official, but in MCQ no need to do the rough calculation. Now 1, 2, 3, dash. Find out T 20th value, 20th. So here I have asked very simple question. First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 4. So 20th term will be 20. How to find? So A is equal to 1. Difference also it is 1. And the last number means Tn is equal to 20. No, Tn, that is the question. Our Tn is the question. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. A is 1. Tn, 20 we want. 20 minus 1. Difference is 1. 1 plus 19 into 1. 19 plus 1. By formula. So in MCQs you have to apply your brain that how it will be. For example, from 1 to 100, find only divisible by 4. Find the numbers who are divisible by 4 from 1 to 100. How many numbers which are divisible by 4? So this will come 4, then 16 it will come, then 20 it will come, then 100 also it will come, then 96 also it will come. But how many in the calculation? So out of 4, only 1. Out of 4, only 1. So out of 100, it is how much? So 100 by 4, 20. Sometimes you have to apply your logic. Always no need to go for formula. After every 3 digit, fourth is divisible by 4. So 1/4 part out of 4, 1. Next out of 4, 1. Next out of 4, 1. So out of 100, 1/4, 25 numbers which are divisible by 4. That is 4,
So,
8.
so
Say. Priti ask.
this down one.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't want all numbers. We don't want all numbers. Find out which are divisible by 4. So 4 is divisible, 8 is divisible, 12 is divisible, 16 is divisible, 20 is divisible, 96 is divisible, 100 is divisible. So these are how much number that we don't know, but we know that first number is 4 and difference is also 4 and last number is 100. So how many? This by logic I have given. Now exactly by Tn formula. So Tn is 100, A is 4, and we don't want. When we have to find out, and don't open the bracket, this minus, so 96. 4 times, n minus 1, this is 4 times. Divide by 4. 96 by 4 means 24. Why? 100 less 4, 25 less 4, 25 less 1. Because this is 100 less 4. This is 5 less 1. So 25 less 1. These are Vedic maths type calculation that separately I will conduct one lecture. Very easily, orally you can do the calculation. What was my logic that 1, 2, 3, 4, from every 4 there is 1, next 4 there is 1, next 4 there is 1. So of 4, 4, 4, 4, how many groups? There are 25 groups. From all 25 groups there is one number, so the total numbers are 25. You do by this method only, don't worry. A is equal to 6, D is equal to 3. Find S4. See, this again by two methods. First number is 6. D is positive, so increasing series. 3, 3, 3, 3 difference. 3 difference, 9. 3 difference, 12. 3 difference, 15. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. And we want S4. Sum of first 4 terms. So this is 15, this is 15, 30, 42. For MCQ, this is by logic. That if it starts with 6 and every time it increases by 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. But we want S4 means sum of first 4. S4 means sum of first 4. So, Now formula wise, A is equal to 6, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, n 4 by 2, 2a means 6, n means 4 minus 1, d means 3. This is cancelled. 6 to the 12, 3 into 3, 2, 12, 9, 2, 21, 21 to the 42. Like this, sum of first 5 multiple of 3, sum of first 5 multiples of 3, multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. We want sum of such number which are multiple of 3, but first 5 terms we want. So first which is multiple of 3 is 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are, 3 fives are. Now again we want the total. So this is 15, this is 15 and this is 15, so 45. 9 plus 6, 15, 1 time. 12 plus 3, 15, 2 times. 15, third time, so 45. Now by AP, this is by logic. Now A starting value is 3. Difference is also 3. Number is 5 because first 5 we want. Sn we want, so S5 we want. And 5 by 2, 2a, and 5 by 1, d, 3, 6, 4, 3. Don't divide this. 12, 6, 18. This 9s are 9 5s are 45. Exactly same given, multiple of 3. Find out T5. So first T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Difference is D, difference is 3. Starting value is also 3. Now minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, dash, 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 dash. Then we have to find out T5. In this, we have to find out T5. So this is T1, T2. Actually, number is decreasing, but with negative sign, so it is increasing. You are not getting minus 11, you are getting minus 8, so number increase. You are getting minus 5, number increase. So every time 3 difference. 3 difference means 2. Again 3 difference plus 1. Why this? Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are minus. So start with minus 11. This. So 1, 2, 3. What is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This minus 8 to 3. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3. So 2. So 1, 2, and 3. So plus 1. So 1, 2, and 3. So 4. Next is 4. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So what is T5? This is direct by logic calculation. Now your A is minus 11. Your difference is this minus this. Minus 8 minus 11. Minus 8 minus 11. Minus 8 minus minus plus 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So your difference is 3 because it is increasing series. And you want number, fifth number you want. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. A minus 1 plus 5 minus 1. Difference 3. So minus 11 plus 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 11. Like that. What they have given now? First number is 2. A is equal to T1 is equal to T2. 10th number. Find the sum of first 10 number. S10 we want. 2 times Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. Suppose I want T1. T1 is equal to A plus 1 minus 1 d. So T1 is equal to, this is 0. This is only 1. A. Now T10. A plus n minus 1 d. N is equal to 10. A plus 9d. But the first number is 2. So 2 is equal to A. Substitute here A. T20, 10 is 40. It is given. A is equal to given 2. This goes this side. So D is equal to 38 by 9. Tenth number is 40. Correct. Now we want S10. First number is 2. 10th number is 40. N by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 d. N. Now we want 10. 2A. N minus 1. 10 minus 1. This is 38 by 9. 5. This is 9. 9 cancel. 38 plus 4, 42. Now any number multiplied by 5. Any number multiplied by 5 means put a 0, make it half. 42 into 5. So 4 to 0. the number which you want to multiply by 5, put a 0. Then it is even number. Then it is very easy to make it half. So
Sir,
40.
sir, please
Yes.
explain again.
Which?
Sir,
This
what
one.
you are explaining now?
Multiply by 5.
A is equal to T1 is equal to 2 from that. From there.
First number is given 2. So A is equal to 2. Correct? Come to the direct. Don't
Yes.
use double. This much is given. Okay. T1 is given. So T1 is equal to A is equal to 2. Now we have to find out A plus n minus 1 D. We will go for T10. So T10, A means 2. This is 10. Tn, n, no? Difference. And T10 also given 40. 2 less, 38. 9 division. And new n is equal to 10. Now we want S10, that is why. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So is equal to n means what? 10 by 2. A means what? 2. N 10 minus 1. D 38 by 9. Bracket over. This cancels to 5 only.
Sir, how n will be 1? That is 1 or 10? And n
This
is
is
equal.
10.
No, you're down.
This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 because we want S10. So 2 to the 4.
I think that is 1.
No, this is 1. This is 10. This is 10 and because we want S10 and Sn. So n is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 38 by 9. 9 cancelled. 4 plus 38. Multiply by 5. 5 into 42. Whenever you want to multiply by 5, no, just put 0 at a unit place, make it half. 42 into 5 means 420, half, 210. For example, 13 into 5, 130, half, 65. For example, 18 into 5, 180, half, 90. So no need to mug up the tables.
Sir,
Uh,
last 10 minutes.
Ria, I want to complete. Okay, this MCQ is complete. Now to very important theorem that I want to explain. And then who want to join, then join. Only I'll explain. So no need to write each and every steps again and again. Very first, very important theorem. If triangles are similar, what is given? Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Therefore, you have to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB, BC, CA. First, second, second, third, third, first. This you have to prove, but they will not give these to prove this. They will ask the statement. When two triangles are similar, find the ratio of their area. So two triangles are similar, and area by area is equal to side square, the square of the ratio of square of side. So I have given three steps, three groups. First, full triangle is similar. It is given. Therefore, AB, BC, CA. First, second, third, first. Heart shape. First, second, third, first. Two triangles are similar, given. Therefore, sides are in proportion. Second group of the steps, triangles are similar, so these are congruent. Triangle are similar, draw this M, draw this N. And previously I have told that if in two triangles, two angles are congruent, both are similar by AA test. So 1 congruent, second congruent. So in this triangle and in this triangle, you have to prove it is by AA test. Which triangle? ABM PQN. ABM PQN. This side or this side, any one side you can take the triangle. First, this is given, so you can write the ratio. Then this you have to prove that this and this are equal, this and this are equal. Therefore, two triangles are similar. Therefore, again, AB, BM, MA. First, second, third, first. First, second, third, first. PQ, QN, NP. Take full triangle, write the ratios, respective sides ratio. Take half of triangle, prove it by AA test, again write the ratio. Forget this, forget this. What is your question? Now remember in third stage. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Best method, this is not given in textbook, they have more 3-4 ratios. Don't do it like that. Half, base, height. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into height into base. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. By substituting the formula of the area of triangle, this half will cancel. BCQR is equal to ABPQ. From statement number 1, AMPN is equal to again ABPQ. One into 2 is equal to square. Simple. Next, you will write similarly. We can prove this equal to this because sides are equal, ratios are equal. So one ratio square is equal to the area square. Then same. You have to prove only one. Then last statement you have to write similarly. We can prove this. Now next one very important. They'll give the statement, not diagram or given to prove. Point on a circle, only one tangent possible. Point inside the circle, no tangent possible. Point outside the circle, two tangents are possible. So the statement of theorem is, when a two tangents drawn to a circle from outside the point, these both tangent segments are congruent. We have to prove it is congruent. So O is a center, P is a point outside. From P, two tangents, PA, PB. Construction. OA, OB, OP. Now in this triangle and this triangle. Triangle POB and triangle POA, upper and lower. We have to prove this, to prove that PA is equal to PB. So that pair we can't take, don't take that pair. First pair we will take OA is equal to OB. Radii of same circle. Second, OP, OP. Common. Third, very important. A is equal to B because tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Therefore, POB congruent, not similar. Hypotenuse side test. This word is very, 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 very important. If you will write any other test, full theorem is zero. Why? Because if you are using another test, means this is include, which you have to prove that you have taken as a given instead of this test. In full theorem, we search this word. This is written by this test. Not wrong. Full theorem wrong. Because if you are not writing this in another test, in any other test of congruency, it will be full on converse, that what is given, what to prove that you are using it as a given. Next, cyclic. Very, very, very important. First of all, what is cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose all vertices are on a circle. The first 4 points